Y'all don't forget to change your smoke alarms. I kept hearing beeping in my background. When I went to edit my videos, when I was recording, I would hear beeping. And then I also had got comments about the beeping and that it could possibly be my smoke alarm. So I did some investigating and I took one of the smoke alarms down, and it has been up since my house was built in 2000. So you supposed to change your smoke alarms every 10 years. So I ordered some off of Amazon. I think I got 6 for $95. And so they are actually easy to install. They came with the 9-volt battery. Mine are wired in the wall as well. So it came with that piece as well, but I didn't need to replace that piece right now. So yeah, y'all. If you have smoke alarms, check them. If they keep beeping, it's definitely probably time to change them. If you're unsure, how to install them, if they are wired in, you can look on YouTube as well, and they have videos on there for you.